Hello friends! Get ready to learn colors and numbers with Miss Honey. Let's make this exciting. 1, 2, I'm fine, thank you. And you? 3, 4, please subscribe for more. 5, 6, whoa, nice magic tricks. 7, 8, cool, that's great. 9, 10, come with me, do it again.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran
Red.
tick tock, Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock.
Orange.
Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Yellow.
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Green.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Blue.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock.
Purple.
Clock struck 6. Oh, fiddle-sticks. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock.
Green.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock.
Blue.
Row your boat gently down the stream.
Orange.
Merrily, life is but a dream. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily,
Red.
life is but a dream.
Friends, this is a circle. Let's draw some big circles on number 1. Now, time for the small circles. Come on, let's draw some triangles on number 2. Big triangles. Now let's draw small ones.
The stream, gently down the stream.
Wow, this is a square. Let's draw squares on number 3. Big ones. Now small ones. This shape is a star. Let's draw big stars on number 4.
Merrily, life is but
Now small stars. This is an oval, friends. First we draw big ovals on number 5. Then the small ovals. Aw, a cute heart. Let's draw some hearts on number 6. First the big ones. Now the small ones. Wow, it's another circle. Let's draw big circles on number 7. Now the small circles. Nice! Another triangle. Let's draw big triangles on number 8. And now the small triangles. Hello there, it's Mr. Oval again. Let's draw the ovals on number 9. And now some smaller ones. Last but not least, a heart. Let's draw some hearts on 0. And some little ones. Yay, we're done!
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Turn on the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye!